It's IBC2025, and I'm here with Rick on the Broadcast Blinds booth. And well, we're talking light control.
Yeah, well, that's what we do.
That's what you do.
I mean, bottom line is, I'm in the lighting business, and I have the biggest light in the world.
It's a big one.
Oh yeah, that it is.
It's a troublesome one.
The thing is that we need to control it in our studios.
Yeah.
So we've got solutions using a combination of gels and scrims that we've got here to reduce the amount of light that comes into the studio, but allow you to shoot through it and see your view, whatever it may be. In this particular instance, we've got our portable unit, which has had a great response. It's used mostly in fields or in places where somebody needs to move in on a, say on a Friday, shoot on Saturday and be out on Sunday.
So this is actually a product.
It's an actual product.
Yeah.
It's made so it goes in an ATA case.
Cool.
The whole thing collapses down, put it right in your truck, take it to the next venue.
I'm wondering whether, was it an accidental product because you were taking it out for demos and people
No, not at all.
No.
We were getting a lot of requests for Premier League, among other things, for it. So that's one you would know about.
Yeah, absolutely. And so, yeah, for a single person with a bright background.
Well, we also make them wider so we can have as many as 3 people in front of it. Makes it great for a small desk.
Even better. So, go on.
I was going to say, and of course, we've got our permanent solutions, which is what has been our mainstay for now about 25 years, which are built in to the studios, operate on DMX, so you can operate them from your lighting console, do the whole job.
And operational from DMX?
Yeah, absolutely.
Fabulous. And you're doing this globally?
Globally. Furthest afield that we've gone is China. That's pretty far from the US.
That's pretty far from the US. Brilliant. So, well, if we need people to find out more information, where do we send them?
www.broadcastblinds.com.
Thank you very much, Rick. So do go and have a look at broadcastblinds.com, and for everything else that we've been doing at IBC2025, it's kitplus.com.